diverse tapestry of life that adorns our planet, there exists a group of remarkable organisms known as rotifers. Despite their tiny size, these fascinating creatures play a significant role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. Join us on this delightful voyage as we delve into the history, biology, and ecological importance of rotifers. Within a single drop of water, an entire ecosystem unfolds, hidden from the naked eye. Among the myriad inhabitants, the rotifers hold a special place. These microscopic wonders, ranging from 50 to 500 micrometers in size, inhabit freshwater bodies all over, from tranquil ponds to slow-moving streams. Rotifers come in various shapes and sizes, with each adapted to its unique habitat and lifestyle. Some appear elongated, with a graceful swaying motion resembling miniature jellyfish, while others display a cylindrical or flattened form. They are all multicellular creatures, which are called metazoans. They have, on average, around 1,000 cells, and much like the beloved tardigrade, they keep those cells for all of their life, which in the microverse isn't usually very long, as rotifers are rather tasty to others. One of their most distinctive features is the corona, a mesmerizing ciliated structure that resembles rotating wheels. The corona is not just a captivating sight, it's a vital tool for their survival. The whirling cilia of the corona create a vortex in the water, drawing in tiny particles of algae and bacteria and detritus. This swirling motion channels food towards the rotifer's mouth, situated at the center of the corona. This is called the trophy. The trophy are essentially a set of specialized jaw-like structures that serve a crucial role in the rotifer's feeding process. Comprising a series of intricate interlocking pieces, the trophy functions like a complex chewing apparatus, allowing the rotifer to grind and break down its food into smaller, digestible particles. This adaptation enables rotifers to consume a wide variety of microorganisms, such as algae, bacteria, and smaller protists, making them important players in aquatic ecosystems as both predators and filter feeders. The trophy's intricate design and functionality showcase the remarkable adaptability and survival strategies of these tiny but resilient creatures in the microscopic world of freshwater habitats. Their ability to feed by pulling edibles towards them while anchored to a surface or swimming freely grants them an unparalleled advantage in the microscopic world where food can be scarce. Rotifers employ both sexual and asexual modes of reproduction, depending on their environmental conditions. In favourable conditions, they primarily reproduced asexually through a process called parthenogenesis, where unfertilised eggs develop into genetically identical offspring. This rapid asexual reproduction allows rotifer populations to expand quickly when resources are abundant. However, when environmental conditions become less favourable, rotifers will shift to sexual reproduction. This involves the production of both male and female individuals, and fertilisation occurs when sperm cells are released and come into contact with the eggs. The resulting zygotes develop into resting eggs, which have a thick, protective shell. These resting eggs can withstand adverse conditions such as desiccation or extreme temperatures, ensuring the survival of the species during harsh times. Once environmental conditions improve, resting eggs hatch, giving rise to new rotifer generations which, due to the genetic blending, have a much greater chance of adapting to and thriving in their new environment. This combination of asexual and sexual reproduction, along with the formation of resilient resting eggs, allows rotifers to adapt to ever-changing habitats and maintain their presence in diverse aquatic ecosystems. Beyond their intricate and fascinating biology, rotifers play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems. As voracious filter feeders, they help regulate algae populations, preventing excessive blooms that could disrupt the delicate equilibrium of underwater habitats. Additionally, their position as a primary food source for other microscopic organisms and small aquatic animals highlights their significance within the intricate food web. In the world of scientific research, rotifers also serve as valuable models for studying fundamental biological processes. Their transparent and multicellular bodies allow scientists to observe internal structures and cellular activities in real time, shedding light on topics ranging from embryonic development to genetic expression. Furthermore, their ability to withstand various environmental stresses makes them ideal candidates for testing the effects of pollution and climate change on aquatic ecosystems. As technology advances, our understanding of rotifers continues to deepen. Genetic sequencing and advanced microscopy techniques unveil previously hidden facets of their biology, while interdisciplinary collaborations offer new perspectives on their ecological importance. From their ancient beginnings to their vital role in modern ecosystems, rotifers continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. So the next time you encounter a tranquil pond or explore the hidden realms of a lake, take a moment to marvel at the hidden world of rotifers and the invaluable contributions they make to our ecosystem. We hope you have enjoyed your voyage into the microscope as much as we did taking you along with us into the hidden world that lives all around us.